guys, and welcome to my nighttime routine. So first when I come home is get into comfy clothes. Of course, these pajamas are from Target. I've been loving them lately. They're super soft, and yeah. Whether it's fuzzy socks or slippers, I'll definitely be putting those on to walk around the house in. And if it's a day that I just want to come home and relax, I really like using some essential oils to diffuse and just kind of relax me for the night. And I love using lavender and Stress Away. If you guys are curious about Young Living, I can leave a link down below that you guys can actually purchase your first starter kit. But I just love the way these smell, just so relaxing at night. While that's going, I sometimes will turn these twinkle lights on and just have that as a dim setting for more of a relaxed feel at night. Now that it's a bit later, it's time to get my planner out and see what's on the schedule. So I love this planner. If I can find it, I will definitely link it down below. It is so awesome and not to mention so cute. And it also has my favorite verse on the front page, which I thought was so awesome. So once I see all the homework that I've got to do for the night, I will just go ahead and do that, get some reading done, and yeah. I also spend some time on the computer as well, whether that's checking emails or doing my online homework for the night. And this year, I really want to make it a habit to be reading a page each night in my devotional, and I love this one. I'll try and link it down below. Of course, it's awesome. And then it's time for some sleepy time tea. It's just so calming. You can, of course, use some chamomile tea as well. Just so great for the nighttime. And now it's time to hop in the shower. I thought I would tell you guys some of my favorite products to use at the moment. I love this body wash from Shea Moisture. It's the coconut one, and it has no parabens, no sulfates or anything like that. And it is not tested on animals, which is great. I also love this body wash that is a lavender scent. It's so great. It's great for your skin as well, and just really, really calming at night. I then use this L'Oreal shampoo usually, maybe some blonde shampoo for those blondes out there. You know what I'm talking about. And then I like to use a gentle face cleanser, and I will put that on my Vanity Planet spin brush. And then if it's a night where I want to exfoliate my skin even more, I'll use this Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion exfoliant. And then I love this coconut body butter from Trader Joe's. Go pick one up, girl. I talked about it in my December favorites video. Now I'm just putting my hair up and washing my face. Oh yeah, taking off the makeup. I love this pre-cleanse from Dermalogica. It's an oil, and it just really gets all the dirt and makeup left on my face. And for one last face cleanse, I absolutely love the micellar water. It gets literally everything off of my face if I have anything left. So that is that. And then I use the Rinse Off Eye Makeup Remover from Clinique, and it gets all of that mascara. I also thought I'd mention this robe is from Victoria's Secret. It is so soft, love it. This is my Tula Exfoliating Treatment Mask, and if I'm feeling like I want to do a mask that night, then I will. Probably just once a week though. Wow, looking real cute there, Lauren. Then I go ahead and moisturize. I love using an oil for the nighttime as a serum, especially in the winter. These are the two that I've been loving lately, and I will have every single product that I'm talking about down below. And then for a healthy snack at night, I love using the cereal and then sprinkling any fruit that I have on it. Today I just used blueberries, but this is the Heritage Flakes, and it has oats, grains, wheat, and all that to kind of keep you full throughout the night. And then I'll just go ahead and top it off with fruit of my choice and some almond milk. And if all of my homework is done and studying by this time of the night, it's time to hop into bed. So here we go. I've been loving trying to read a book instead of just pick up my phone and scroll through it. This is The Meaning of Marriage by Timothy Keller, and this is an awesome book geared towards people who are not married. And he talks about the importance of marriage as well as the reason why God intended it to be so special, and so I've really been liking that. So with all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this nighttime routine. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to see, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!